Hi guys, I hope your lockdown is going nicely. Mine is going nicely too. But today I thought of preparing some exotic Indian dish. So I thought today we'll prepare an authentic paneer butter masala. So are you guys ready? Uh, this is my kitchen. Okay, I think so. We're good to go. Let's start. Hi guys, so we have 2 tomatoes, 2 onion, medium chopped. We need soft paneer cubes around 200 gram. If you like, you can golden deep fry them. Okay, we have half cup of milk, which will give creamy look to curry. Okay, so what else we need? We'll talk about spices. We have 1 teaspoon mustard seed, cumin seed, black pepper, cloves, black cardamom, and cinnamon, and bay leaves. Okay, now we have around 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chili, and 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder and salt. Okay, we need ghee around 3 tablespoon, and around 3 tablespoon we need butter. Okay, so we can use salt as per our taste. I think so that's sufficient for us to know. And let's start. First we'll prepare onion puree and then tomato puree. We'll now add our ghee, and once it is hot we'll add mustard and cumin seeds. Once they will start popping, we'll add spices. These spices will give a very good aroma to our curry. Now we'll add curry leaves and green chili. We will add our ginger garlic paste. We need to cook it very properly because it pops the most. Once every spices is brown, we'll add our chopped onions. We have to cook onions until it is very smooth and soft. I have some kajus which will make our curry sweet somewhat. If you have, you also add. Now we'll prepare for tomato puree. We have to prepare tomato puree in the same way. No spices, just red chili powder. You have to cook it once it becomes soft, same as onions. Now we'll cool both and grind them to make purees. Now we have to prepare for gravy. Now in the gravy we'll add our butter, and once the butter is melted, we'll be adding cumin seeds. Now we'll add our onion puree. We'll be cooking it for some time, and then once it is brown, somewhat brownish color, then we'll be adding our tomato puree. We'll mix them so that there is a good consistency in the curry. We'll wash our bowls of these purees so that there is no leftovers. Anyhow, this water will be evaporated when we are cooking. Okay. So now we'll be adding our red chili powder and salt, and we'll mix it very properly. I have garam masala which I'll add in the curry. If you have, you also add, and mix it very properly. I have some roasted kajus in butter, so that will also give a richness to a curry. Now our curry is ready for milk. Now we'll add milk and one thing, when we add milk, we have to stir it continuously. Once it is thick, we'll add paneer, and after cooking it for some time, our paneer butter masala is ready. It smells so good. Bye guys, I can't stop myself. Thanks for watching. It was great fun cooking for you guys and cooking for myself. See you.